Hello and welcome to the unboxing of Yamaha PSR E365 synthesizer. First, let's open the box. So, as you can see, it has teaching mode and it has touch response, USB to host so you can connect it to your PC, and 48 polyphony voices. It requires 6 AA batteries, which are not included. So let's take it out. Okay. What else is here? This is probably a sheet stand or something like that. We'll see later. And let's unpack the protective plastic. All right. So here it is. Let's see if there's power adapter somewhere. I don't see anything. And let's see the back side. On the back side, there is USB port. It looks like a printer port. And this is probably aux in, yeah. This is, it says sustain, and this is phones. It's got the big phones jack. And this is the power. There's nothing else underneath as far as I can see. So let's see if we can somehow connect it. This thing goes here, so you can put your sheets. And there's a pretty fat instruction manual, probably in several languages. Warranty card and such. Okay, so let's try to turn it on. We found a power adapter and it doesn't need to boot. I'm used to things that have to boot for a long time, so this is instantaneous. So let's just see how it sounds. There's a master volume knob here. Okay. How are we changing sounds? Split. Song. So if you don't know how it works, it's good that there is a demo button. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this was interesting. See you next time.